Thinking about Amore Learning School? Let's break down their admission process. First off, their motto really says it all. Learn anywhere, achieve everywhere. And here's the best part. For anyone interested, admissions are officially open. We're talking about the upcoming 2026 to 2027 academic year. Okay, so how do you actually get the ball rolling? Let's dive in. It's a pretty simple 3-step journey, and it's all online. First, you'll start with what's called the Enquiry form. Next up, you'll tackle the registration form. And to wrap it all up, you'll complete the main application form. Right at the beginning, you've got a pretty important choice to make. And that choice is all about the educational framework you want to follow. You've got 2 great options, the national CBSE or the international IGCSE curriculum. Got questions? No problem. It's really easy to get the help you need. You can give them a call with numbers for both the UAE and India. Or, hey, if you prefer, you can just shoot them an email. The bottom line is the path to admission is super clear. So now you've got the roadmap. The only question is, are you ready to start?